Rolling a slab, unraveling the meaning. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rolling a slab. This phrase might sound a bit unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in context. So, let's dive in. Rolling a slab is a phrase that originates from the world of pottery and ceramics. In this context, rolling refers to the action of flattening clay into a thin, flat piece, known as a slab. This slab can then be used to create various ceramic objects. The phrase metaphorically implies putting effort into preparing or laying the groundwork for something. In everyday language, rolling a slab is often used metaphorically to describe the process of preparing or setting things up for future activities or projects. For example, if someone says, "We're rolling a slab for our new marketing campaign," it means they are in the initial stages of preparing or setting up the campaign. To help you grasp the concept better, here are a few examples. 1. The team is rolling a slab for the upcoming event. Here, it means the team is preparing for the event. 2. Before writing her book, she spent months rolling a slab with research. This implies that she did a lot of preparatory work before actually writing the book. And that's a wrap on rolling a slab. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify this interesting phrase. Remember, language is filled with such colorful expressions, and understanding them can make learning English even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.